Student. In our today's class, we will discuss about components of air. The air is a mixture of gases. It contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, etc. Oxygen, which is very important for breathing, that enables us to breathe and live. It contains carbon dioxide needed by plants, some other gases present in the air, the nitrogen and argon. Air also contains water vapor, dust and smoke, in which oxygen is very important, and that second gas is nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. It contains 78% nitrogen in our air. Nitrogen, which is very important, the second most important gas in our atmosphere, air contains 78% nitrogen. Plants need nitrogen to grow. Nitrogen is used to make fertilizer. It is also used to keep packaged food fresh. Liquid nitrogen is very cold. And the second one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is needed by all green plants to make their food. Carbon dioxide plays a major role in trapping the sunlight that enters the atmosphere. This maintains the required warmth on the earth. However, burning large amounts of fossil fuels releases a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere traps the heat from the sun. This can rise the temperature of the earth. And the last one is water vapor. The water from the surface of rivers, oceans and other water bodies evaporates and forms water vapor in the atmosphere. Water vapor also contributes in trapping the sun's heat inside the atmosphere. Other gases. The other gases present in the atmosphere are argon, methane, nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Smoke and dust particles are also present in the atmosphere. That's all.